Notification Section 258. A notification under the Companies Act, 2013, is a formal announcement or directive issued by the MCA or relevant authorities to 1. Announce policy changes. Notifications may introduce new policies, amend existing regulations, or clarify provisions under the Companies Act to enhance regulatory compliance and governance standards. 2. Prescribe rules and regulations. Notifications prescribe detailed rules, procedures, forms, and formats that companies must adhere to while conducting business activities, filing documents, maintaining records, or complying with statutory requirements. 3. Communicate amendments. Notifications communicate amendments to the Companies Act, rules, or schedules impacting corporate governance practices, accounting standards, disclosure norms, audit requirements, director responsibilities, shareholder rights, and other regulatory aspects. Types of notifications. 1. Statutory notifications. These notifications are issued to enforce provisions of the Companies Act, 2013, and its related rules, specifying compliance requirements, deadlines, and procedural guidelines for companies and stakeholders. 2. Policy notifications. Notifications may outline policy decisions or initiatives aimed at promoting ease of doing business, enhancing corporate transparency, protecting investor interests, or addressing regulatory challenges in the corporate sector. 3. Circulars and clarifications. Regulatory authorities issue circulars and clarifications through notifications to provide interpretative guidance, resolve ambiguities, or address queries raised by stakeholders regarding compliance or implementation of legal provisions. Compliance and implementation. 1. Legal compliance. Companies and stakeholders are required to comply with the directives and requirements stipulated in notifications issued under the Companies Act, ensuring adherence to statutory obligations and avoiding penalties or legal consequences. 2. Implementation challenges. Notifications may necessitate changes in internal policies, operational procedures, accounting practices, reporting frameworks, or governance structures within companies to align with regulatory updates and ensure effective implementation. Importance and impact. 1. Enhance transparency. Notifications promote transparency and accountability in corporate practices by clarifying regulatory expectations, standardizing procedures, and facilitating uniform application of legal provisions across industries. 2. Regulatory oversight. Notifications enable regulatory authorities to monitor and enforce compliance, address emerging issues, and adapt regulatory frameworks to evolving market dynamics, technological advancements, and global best practices.